The formula here that I used for Jamie's Lowlights is a combination of our 7-1, which is a level 7 Cendré Blue Violet, and equal parts with 7-65 level 7 Chocolate Gold. The reason that I chose those two shades is the 7-65 is a level 7 Chocolate Gold. We wanted that because this is very blonde and there's no underlying warmth left, so we want to put that in. However, if any of you have experienced using a warm low light on a super blonde, it usually ends up looking very hollow. So what I did was I balanced the 7-65 with 7-1, and the two of those are not only both going to ground the formula and show up and make sure that I've got a low light, but also with the warmth as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my 7-65 and 7-1 equal parts, and all of that is with the 20 grams, and then 40 grams of our IGORA VIBRANCE 1.9% 6 volume activator lotion. So it's very easy. You mix this up in the bowl, and you can see you've got this kind of nice, thicker consistency, which is really ideal for bowl and brush. So you can see there, it's great. It doesn't really drip like a truly liquid or like our gel formula. It would be, it's not drippy, but it's a lot looser. So yeah, this is a thicker formula, which is great and ideal for foiling.